If you're interested in a career in law enforcement, courts, or corrections, Cedarville University's criminal justice major is for you. Our comprehensive program covers criminology, criminal procedure, the American judicial system, corrections, homeland security, constitutional law, police administration, and juvenile delinquency, preparing you for a variety of roles in the criminal justice field. You'll gain practical experience through ride-alongs with local law enforcement, visits to state prisons, and a required internship that places you in a court, police agency, or corrections agency. For those pursuing intelligence or crime analysis, our semester-long Advanced Technical Intelligence Bootcamp provides a top-secret security clearance and job readiness in the intelligence industry. But most importantly, at Cedarville, you'll benefit from scripture integration in every course. You'll learn that crime and civil disputes stem from man's sinful nature, and that salvation through Jesus Christ is the ultimate solution. You'll discover what it means to be a Christian criminal justice professional who administers justice with righteousness. If you're ready to pursue a career in criminal justice grounded in faith and integrity, consider Cedarville's criminal justice major.